this is Ian, and welcome to Warriors the Game. It's like a little season thing that I tried to figure out. Holy crap, there's a lot of copy of these games. Look at that. Look, so many copies. But I think this is the original. Don't click the mouse the first time you see it. It will mess things up. Okay. Ooh, I can dig this music. Yeah, that's all we've been this stuff. Like, what's your clan? Jeez. Stuff. No, I like clan. Is that me or is that him? What should I name you? It says right here, type in your whole clan name. When I ask you for your name, only write the first part of your name. Of course. Horeshoe. Actually, I spelled, yeah. Horeshoe Cat. This is the perfect name. Time to explore. Wow, I know his voice. Ooh, I like the walking animations. Can I climb the wall? Ooh. I'm getting the tree. Who are you? Hello! Hello! You must be Horeshoe Cat. I am Blaze Kit. Hey, at least you're... Click on the mouse ball and beside me to play a game. What's this? What's this? Oh no! The game... I'm like puffing. What? Let's stop that. Boink, boink, boink. Like, ooh. Hey, that looks like from down there. Well, okay then. I climb you. Yes, I have mount you, Bush. What's your name? Oh, you're a Horeshoe Kid. Oh, Horeshoe Kid, it's you. Just out of the nursery. Let me sit. This cave is my den. The bush is the other den, and the tree is the nursery. Click on the paw prints to go to other parts of the camp. Cool. That's all. No, goodbye. Alright. Huh, what? Oh, hello, Horeshoe Kit. My name is Goldleaf. I am the deputy. Have a look around. How does everyone know my name? I mean, really? Arrow keys. To move. Oh, what are you doing? Hey, there's a tick on my shoulder. Can I get it out? What was that? Hey, there's a tick on my shoulder. Can I get it out? What's going on? Well, I did something. Now I can get a good rest. Well, hey, I completed it. I had my first kill on my boss. Can I climb this too? Oh ha ha! I have mounted you on the inside. What the heck was gravity effects? I think that's what just happened. Oh shit, what are you doing? Yeah! Who are you? Looking at the grass and poking at it? Hey there, I'm Sunpower! I'm practicing my battle skills, so go away. I'm busy for what? I'm busy for ball. Shut up. And how was I supposed to go there? Oh, who are you? Horeshoe Cat. Oh, what are you doing here? Can I mount you too? My name is Snowfall. I'm kind of busy here. Is there any point? I'm busy. Can I do something to this? Did you just knock over my pile of leaves I just finished? Yes, I did. What can I do with it? I can climb on your face. Walk on your head. Okay then. I'm not a warrior. I don't want to lose my fur. Who are you? Oh no, someone found me. Oh, you're a kid. My name is Cream Kit. I'm escaping into the forest. Let's go together. Wow! That place looks awesome! Let's make a camp for Cream. Let's call it Cream Cat. Okay, maybe not Cream Clan. Lols. This is a ha 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 ha. What are you doing here? Oh, you're in big trouble. Quick, run! again. It's like, why is the epic, like, music still playing? Moons later. Oh, it's time when our kids are old enough to become apprentices. I like the music. Horeshoe Cat. Nicholas Horseshoe Bar. Your mentor's trains that Horseshoe Bar, Horseshoe Bar, Horseshoe Bar. Hello, Horseshoe Bar.
La 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 la.
Start training at sunrise. Next day. What the heck?
I will never be afraid again. I will keep on fighting till the end. I can walk on water, I can fly. I will keep on fighting till I die. I will never be afraid again. I will keep on fighting till the end. I can walk on water, I can fly. I will keep on fighting till I die. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la
Next day.
la la
Listen to the music.
la 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 la.
What sort of music? I'm gonna get copyrighted here.
La 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 la.
Shut up. I'm gonna try to do the music out. First, scratching. Basic press. High five. High five. High five. I'm pressing right. My mouth is like, oh. Any other Warriors games? Because I'm feeling lucky. I'm probably going to try to do an hour of YouTube. If it's possible. Because I only take, 9 minutes and 20 seconds? Or, yeah, 20. Well, I found a game, Warriors Adventure game updated. I don't know. Was it that game that was like, boss, with like no stairs?
Darkness of
I'm not going to get copyrighted, please no. Okay, Warrior Cat's game, version 22.2. This sounds good. That means it's out of alpha. At least. Out of beta. At least, so that means it's probably the full game right now. No, full game is whenever it hits 1. But, well, let's try this then. What the heck happened? Oh, but I think I should be able to get published. Oh no. Horseshoe. Horseshoe strikes again. Lovely. It's lovely outside. Why don't you go out? That's a nightmare. Horseshoe strikes again. Now what? Oh, I know this game. Wow, I'm so slow. I know this game. I played it before. Why do I move so slow though? Looks like a Mario 2. So hi. Greetings, young one. I am Eagle Heart, deputy of Bay Clan. Yeah, I play this game, huh? Huh? What? Sorry, I just started. Bros, see you tomorrow. I don't want to get copyrighted so badly. No, since there's so much. Hi, I'm Flamepaw. Why are you so far away from the nursery? Have you seen Flamepaw? He's probably he's an orange type of time. He's not gonna pass final system if he doesn't train. You there, get up. Hi, I'm Flamepaw. Why are you so far away from the nursery? Just get a life. Well, I think he's getting a life right there. Just dreaming. What's in here? Ooh, who are you? ... Sorry about silence on. She may not notice you. She's concentrating on her work. What is she doing though? Every turn of this house, a letter of word, there's out. We from behind. I'm not that behind. I'm not that bold. Everything I will is home. I feel like what we're told. I feel something. Greetings, youngin'. Why don't you talk to Tide Claw? I will tell a story at the past time. Once upon a time, there was a brave young cat. He had no name. Oh no. He lived on the mainland. One day he was on a beach when a storm blew in. The Tom was swept down into the bay and he thought he had surely drowned. But he didn't. It's like Elvis Presley Sterling. He swept up onto an island that was now called home. He found a cliff and rested in it. The next day he went out to explore. He found a beach on a marsh, a forest, and a mountain of fire. Whoa. The mountain had no fire left in it though. Other cats had came to welcome him. All but one. The cat whose name is now Rainbow. Rainbow, of course, was a girl, but she was vicious and dangerous. She killed the nameless What? And this started a war between the cats who liked the newcomer and Rainbow's family and friends. All of a sudden, the Tom descended from the sky and began to, don't fight for my sake, we can all live in peace. Throughout the four-cornered marsh, Rainbow Mountain and nameless Tom split 4 ways to different territories. The Tom gave himself the name Bay after the water had brought him to the island. It's a true story. Who else would? That was too fast, but that was a long story. Oh my, is that Earth? Wait, that isn't Earth. It's like there's sun on Earth. What's one of their claws? Hi, Horeshoes. Strikes again. Kit. Yes, music. Fade away, please. Oh no. Tell my brother Lamepaw that you'll never be a... What? Who is Lamepaw? The Stark Clan and Lamepaw's Flamepaw. Tomorrow you become an apprentice. I hope I'm not your mentor. Sorry, I had to pause record. Go away! I forgot what you said, but... Oh, that's the guy with Flamepaw. Oh, he's sleeping now. I like that. Oh, it's moonrise. Today we'll be doing a battle training. Battle training grounds right past the honey nuts. Hello, guys. When you're there, try to talk to the bunnies. Oh yeah, I forgot. Well, it's past recording. I think 3 days have passed from me standing there. Well, whenever I came in to record a little bit ago, I just said the word game. Wow, you're little. Hey, Horeshoe strikes again, Paul. You want to play with me? Yes or no? Maybe. Oh yeah, I forgot I had to press the check mark. Maybe yes. What? What's going on? What the heck? This game is glitchy. Golden Fane Rose, but what? Oh, what? Is that part of the story? Was there supposed to? What's going on? Next game? Actually, we haven't finished this game yet. Oh, you currently can't get past the Wild Cat's path. Please don't comment about that. Oh, then I think we already completed it then. Next game. Warriors Adventure game. How is this gonna work? Little cat's old enough to catch their own prey, join beneath the high rock for a clan meeting. Cool. Where are all their suits and suitcases? Today we're gathered here to welcome a new warrior to Moon Clan. We're on the moon? Rainpaw, step forward. What? That's not stepping. I'm Specklestar. Call upon the warrior ancestor to look down on this apprentice. She's... I guess we're all on the moon then. Guess there's no gravity. What's going on? I do. I am messing up the game. This is supposed to be an epic. Wow. What? Rain Dapple. Yes. Yes. I want you to go hunt for prey. Yeah, 50 pieces of prey, come see me. You can count on me. Oh, hi, Rain Dapple. Specklestar sent you? Please come in. Wait, what? This is not prey. Go get the catnip, please. Where's the catnip? Excuse me, where's the catnip? There's a mouse! There's a rat! Get the rat! What's going on? Oh! Crazy warriors make crazy music. What? These aren't warriors. What's going on here? Best music ever. 5 out of 5. Finish it off. Warriors the movie. It's based on the Warriors into the Wild by Iron Hunter. Warriors the movie. Pull, pull, pull. Sigh. I wish I could have a life or maybe I can. Looks like he's falling to the ground on his back. Oh, I can see he's green. Who's there? I am the star leader of ThunderClan. Yeah, it's a girl. Who are you? I'm Russell. Yeah, Firestar should sound like a girl while she looks like a girl. Okay, follow me. Rusty, I tell you I've heard your warrior name. Blue Star. Yes, Ravenball. What? The deputy? Then we must. I'll let deputy take a look. That's not Tackleclaw. This looks something else, like a bumblebee. Later. You're not gonna tell anyone. You'll get it. Ravenpaw, is everything okay? Because me and Graypaw saw you with Tackleclaw. And he said something like if you ever told something. You look at the wrong way. Tackleclaw killed the reptile! What? I saw him! But why didn't you tell? Young one. Tackleclaw threatened me. I'll go attack the Blaze Guard. No, Fireball! Tackleclaw's not evil! I'm guessing he said no. Yep. Look at what you have to know. You have a right to. We have to go. Okay, fine. Let's go. You can't tell him I'm dead. When they got back, Ravenpaw's dead! Next day, all cats old enough to catch their own prey. Fireball is a fart. What the heck happened? Oh, I guess the moral story. Oh. To the war bucket to the millennium still by Great movie to finish off the episode. If you like this video, everyone, please subscribe on the subscribe button if you want to see more. And I'll make more videos faster if the more you subscribe and the more I don't know. Just I'm not famous at all. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. I'm not forcing you to, but if you like, at least like if you like this video, and if you really like me, hit this subscribe button if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you another time. Goodbye!